Hi everyone, I wanted to tackle a real world problem, the delay in emergency response after a road accident. Most systems today rely on manual reporting. I decided to build a system from scratch that automates this process using a combination of software logic and hardware communication. The brain of the system works in three steps. First, identification. The system identifies multiple vehicles in a frame. Second, distance calculation. It constantly calculates the distance between these vehicles using the Pythagoras theorem. Third, overlap detection. To make it accurate and avoid false alarms, I added a bounding box. Intersection check. The system only triggers an alert if the cars are both close enough and their physical boundaries overlap. This ensures that the system knows the difference between a near miss and the actual impact. The most unique part of this project is the IoT integration. I didn't want the detection to just stay on my computer screen. I programmed an ESP32 microcontroller to act an remote alert station. I set up a local web server on ESP32. When the Python script confirms a accident, it sends an instant HTTP request over Wi-Fi. The ESP32 receives the signal and immediately triggers a physical alarm, a buzzer, and a high intensity LED. This demonstrates how a computer in one location can alert emergency hardware in another location instantly. You can see in the screen it sent a request to ESP32, but recently I'm not add ESP connection. That's why it said ESP32 not found. Building this from scratch taught me how to bridge the gap between software code and physical hardware. This prototype shows that with a few lines of a logic and affordable microcontroller, we can build a life saving network for our roads.